This week's problem of the week, number 4, was about systems. Problem number 1. For what values of k will the graphs of the following equations intersect in quadrant 3, which is in the bottom left corner? Line L, y equals kx plus 14, and line M, y equals x plus 28. To solve this problem, I used Desmos. When you enter the problem in Desmos, this is what you get. By sliding the slider for k to 1, you can get two parallel lines, which means that they never intersect. And if you slide it to 0.5, then they intersect right on the line at the edge of quadrant 3. From this, we can conclude that k is bigger than 0.5 and smaller than 1. Now it's time to check our answers. Let's try two scenarios. One in which k equals 0.7 and another in which k equals 2. I made k equals 0.7 in Desmos, and they intersected at quadrant 3. Then I made k equal 2, and they intersected in quadrant 1. Problem number 2. Create your own story problem that can be solved using systems of equations. It should be a problem that would be interesting to 8th graders. I don't know why, but this is what I came up with. You have just murdered someone and dumped their dead body in a river, and it flows away at 7 kilometers per hour. But what's that? Oh no! About an hour later, someone goes on the same river in a boat at 14 kilometers per hour. How long will it take for them to discover the body? I don't think this is really what 8th graders are into, but I'm sure that the absurdness will keep their attention. Now, on to solving the problem. I decided to make t equal the time it took for them to catch up in hours, and d equal the distance away from you that they found the dead body in kilometers. This means that t will equal d divided by 7, and notice that t will equal d divided by 14 plus 1. If we divide t equals d divided by 7 by negative 2, then we can convert it into negative 0.5t equals negative d divided by 14. This means that the negative d over 14 will cancel out the positive d over 14, and we will just be left with the value of 0.5t, which is 1. Multiply this by 2, and we can find out that t equals 2. This means that it will take them 2 hours to find the body. For the check, I decided to plug this into Desmos, and sure enough, it showed us that t equals 2. But it also showed us what d's value is, which is 14.